Hello, Facebook. Hi, everybody. Jamie here. It is Cocktail Time with Jamie. It is Monday, December 27th. Hope everybody had an awesome, amazing Christmas Eve with their families. Hope everybody is safe and healthy, and everybody is doing well out there. So, hello, everybody, and welcome to Cocktail Time with Jamie. And it is Monday. And let's see, so today I'm going to be making something called golden mistletoe. This will be the end of my Christmas drinks, but I ran across this one today and I thought I would share it with everybody. Actually, Courtney ran across it and I thought we would share it with you. It is going to be using Black Infusion's Gold Apricot, vodka, St. Elderflower liqueur, simple syrup, mint, cranberry juice, and that's it. So, hello everybody. Hello Terry. Hello Matthew. Hello. Thank you for joining me. If you are watching this live, you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you are watching on the replay, hashtag replay. Share it with your friends. Pop a little note in there for me. Say hello. Give me a wave. I'd love to hear from everybody. Hello Dawn. Thank you for watching me. I really appreciate it. So let's see. We are closed Tuesday and Wednesday. We're open tonight, and then we reopen again on Thursday. And our $9.99 special today is our shrimp scampi to go. It comes with brown rice and vegetables. I appreciate that as well. Sorry, when my phone rings, I think I might lose a little bit of. I might lose you for a minute there. So. Shrimp scampi, $9.99 special to go. I am getting a lot of calls lately for more groceries, so we are still doing groceries. Check out our list online. Not everything is available, but we'll do our very best, and we will probably add some more to our grocery list. So there you go. Closed Tuesday and Wednesday this week. We'll be reopened Thursday. We are doing a New Year's Eve box, so if you are interested in getting our New Year's Eve box, you can stay home, enjoy dinner at home. That is available. We are doing the food, and White Cliff is doing the wine. White Cliff will have somebody here at Aroma Time giving out the wine from them on Friday, so that you can have a sparkling Method Champenois champagne style from White Cliff, and then you have a choice of white or red wine. So you get 2 bottles of wine, and then the whole list of everything that you get is listed on our website at aromatimebistro.com. We've been posting it on Facebook, so you can see it on Facebook, and that is available. That's $179. We charge $120, and White Cliff charges $59. So you'll have 2 separate charges because we cannot sell you alcohol. White Cliff is selling you the alcohol. So that is available for New Year's Eve. So if you don't want to go out on New Year's Eve and you want to stay home, there's appetizers, dinner, dessert, the wine from White Cliff is in there, and then breakfast the next morning, bagels, lox, cream cheese, that is available as well. In the box. So $179, great deal for 2 people. Dinner and breakfast the next morning, and wine, great deal, $179. Stay home for New Year's Eve and don't go out. We are open here at Aroma Time on New Year's Eve. We will open at 4 o'clock. Our last sitting will be at 7:30, and you can make reservations. I highly recommend them. We are getting quite busy, and I have to plan staff and things like that. So that is available. Let's see, 99 bottles of wine is coming up. If you're interested in coming to 99 bottles of wine, that is Martin Luther King weekend. That is Sunday. That is one of our biggest wine events we have been doing for the last couple of years. Obviously, last year through COVID, we couldn't do it. We're bringing it back, bigger and better this year. Smaller in terms of the amount of people. The table is yours. The wines will be out on the bar. You can come up and get your wine. It is $49 a person. That includes a cheese plate. The kitchen is open that day as well. If you would like to come for VIP, it's $79 a person. That includes an hour and a half tasting before with Marcus and I with special reserve wines. So everything is on our website, www.aromatimebistro.com. You can view everything on there. That is our big wine event, grand wine tasting, and that is a really fun event. So, all right, on to my drink of the day. So golden mistletoe. I am going to be using this gold apricot, vodka, St. Elderflower liqueur, simple syrup, cranberry juice, and I'm gonna get started here. So I'm gonna put ice in my shaker, and I'm gonna start with 1.5 ounces of, or 2 ounces of apricot liqueur. I'm gonna add a splash of simple syrup, which is agave for us. I don't know how to top. Oh, there it is. Hello, top. Hello, everybody. Thank you. I see lots of people on. Hello, Trisha. Hello, Bob. Hello, Cheryl. Thank you, everybody. Hope everyone had a Merry Christmas. Everybody looking forward to the new year. I know we are here. About 1/2 ounce of elderflower liqueur. And I'm going to add about 1/2 ounce of cranberry juice. And it's going to be light because our cranberry juice does not, there we go. Our cranberry juice does not have any high fructose corn syrup in it, so it is all natural fruit. So it's going to look a little bit lighter than if you were to make this at home. I'm going to add ice to my glass, and I'm going to pour the drink in. So apricot vodka, and I'm going to top it off with a little bit of fresh cranberries. Look how pretty. And a mint leaf. Oh, that's so pretty. Doesn't that look like Christmas? So that will be my last drink that has to do with Christmas. I will be moving on to, I don't know, winter drinks. If anybody has any ideas for me, let me know. Let me go ahead and taste this. That is really lovely. That is delicious. Look at that pretty. It does look like mistletoe, doesn't it? That's lovely. Thank you for joining. Hello, John. Hello, Dawn. Cheers, Dawn. Thank you. Hello, Trisha. Lots of people on. I've never seen your names before, so thank you, everybody, for joining me. I really, really, really appreciate it. And I think that's going to be it. $9.99 takeout special this week is shrimp scampi with rice and broccoli. That ends today. Today's the last day of that. We'll start something new again on Thursday, but we do have our regular takeout menu available as well. Hope everybody's having an awesome day. Hope you had a great weekend with your family and friends. Stay healthy out there. Continue taking your vitamin C and your vitamin D, and that's it for today. Cheers, and I will see everybody tomorrow.